Hello, it's been a minute since I have vlogged about the garden, and I'm here for an update where things are not thriving, but they're not dying. Here's our first bed with some onions and brassicas. Mostly just the radishes have shown their faces, and then maybe a little bit of spinach. I feel like the shade cloths are ever evolving. So this week we have them facing west. So when the sun sets over there, it shades some of them. And these were all that color, and the middle growth has come back nicely. I think it was frost. So note to self, I will plant a little bit later and get them started later because it stunted their growth. They had to bounce back. I was just filming long enough to find my hori knife. Mission accomplished. My lettuce got yellow, but it looks like the middle is coming up green. Again, according to seed time, I should be harvesting it right now. Fat chance. We've got the rest of the garden tilled up and ready to go with conventional farming methods. And now I'm just waiting for my tulip leaves to die back, I guess, before I can dig up the bulbs and save them for next year. I could just leave them in the ground, but I'm moving. All right, that's a wrap. It is April 29th, only one more day of April. Before we go, isn't he just the cutest? You're just the cutest, Roscoe.